not spend too much time on each of them. Let's just really go through them very quickly and explore what we can do with our brushes in each of them. Now again, make a little rectangle. Give it a nice gradient, maybe starting off a little bit darker here. And then what I like to do too sometimes, if I want to use different selections even on this layer, I just press Ctrl J. It's also quite a nice workflow, and then lock the layer on the transparency. So that means whatever selection I make now here, like whatever funky thing it is, it will be confined to just that space, and I won't draw on any other parts of the image, and that can come in very handy. So who knows, maybe we can even work with that. And it's always good to throw yourself into the cold water repeatedly, but gently, and it's something you will figure out where there's a healthy border to it. Now maybe these could be some interesting, like, river aisles. So you can see they're already it's already like saying something, you know. It's already like going in a certain direction, and you see how fast it actually works. And all I'm doing is just picking colors and using that which is already there. And this is the exact same thing you can follow along with, and like just leave it there. Like it could be it already, like this. So maybe give it like something here in the background to show some depth, that there are different aisles continuing over there, just like that. There we go. Okay, now this is something really simple, and a process that we can really, I say, get into our system, because it helps to get yourself out of this detail obsessed mentality, to really relax your mind into rough shapes and into exploring what's there and experimenting.